Joey, and what I got from him is just really to be prepared all the time. So when shooting comes, wala nang problema, it's all one take, it's all dire-diretso, you don't waste anyone's time, you don't tire the production's time also. So it's really nice na tinuro niya na from the jump na these are your characters, these are what you need to do, how you feel, and then from there, if you work on it as an actor, then you bring it out on film. So when filming comes, it's just one take, that's it. Ganun.
Well, sa akin po yung importance talaga ng training and be prepared, katulad nga po ng sabi niya. Kasi kay Direct Joey, lahat mabilisan. Like, ang bilis niya mag-set up, ang bilis niya mag-take, one take or rehearsal take, good take na yun sa kanya agad. And nakaka-amaze din kasi pwede pala yun. Meron palang ganun set. And lahat, and the number 2 is yung pakikisama talaga. So yung Direct Joey, sobrang bait niya, sobrang light, and nakasmile lang siya the whole time. And lahat ng sa team niya ganun din. And kahit umaabot ng gabi, pero sa sobrang bilis niya magtrabaho, parang hapon lang nakapack up kami. Hindi namin siya nafe-feel. Kaya feeling namin nasa bakasyon kami, naglalaro kami dahil grabe yung work ethics ni Direct Joey. And I hope mahahawa kami lahat doon kasi sobrang amazing talaga yung mga.
For me, everyone was just good vibes. So, yun, nadala lang siya ng vibes lahat. It was easy, smooth, free-flowing lang. And then, in terms of advice, the only thing that he's ever said to me is always go. Because I had a previous project na with Direct Joey. Noong January, it's called Takilin. Ganun din, same lang din. Just be yourself. That's simple, cliche, but it means a lot to me. Yeah.
First time ko po makawork si Direct Joey, and I'm very, very thankful na nakawork ko siya. Sana makawork ko po siya ulit because I'm very, very happy na naging director ko po siya. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa kanya. Number 1, always be ready. And he teach me to believe in myself and to be happy, to enjoy the set. And I'm so thankful po talaga na siya po yung naging director ko po dito. Actually, ito po yung first movie ko po talaga na na-shoot sa Viva. Second po yung Punit. Lumabas lang po siya ng yung Punit na langit. Yes, and sobrang kumakakato talaga ako for everything. Kinakabahan ako kasi syempre si Direct Joey Reyes po yan. So, paano po kaya yung gagawin ko? Sabi ni Direct, ilan yan, kumalma ka, kaya mo yan. So, tinuturuan po niya ako kung paano. And sobrang happy ko po talaga. And thank you po, Direct Joey.